Alright, we are out here, Marrakech, Morocco. Good morning. It's the morning after the night before. No, sorry, it's not morning. It is definitely not morning, it is afternoon. Yeah, if you want to see all the goings on up to this point, then click the videos above or below. If not, then good afternoon from Marrakech. You know what I find mind-blowing? Look how much is going on with all the motorbikes and all the cars and all the people, but yet so far I have not seen one accident. But in London, you got these 20-mile-an-hour roads, and pretty much every day you see at least some kind of accident. Over here, they know how to do it. Look, you've got all the different types of the vehicles. Look at this. Taxis, cars, motorbikes, bikes, the tuk-tuks, the horses, the people, all the combination, and they make it work. Oh, look at the fruits. What are you going to get? Coconut?
Looks amazing. You're going to get coconut and then...
Pineapple. Fresh coconut. Tastes like coconut. That is coconut. Can confirm, coconut. Can you tell us where we are and what is this, please?
Absolutely, James. I would love to do that.
Thank you very much.
So we're in Marrakech. Marrakech is actually not the capital of Morocco, which some people may not know. Rabat is the capital, but this is the main sort of tourist city. We're in the old town currently. There's lots of souks, there's lots of spices you can buy.
What's a souk?
A souk is an Arabic word for market. So when people say souk market, what they're saying is market market. Like the Sahara Desert. That Sahara just means desert, so when they say Sahara Desert, they're just saying desert desert, which is a bit silly. But all around us we can see lots of people out and about shopping, quite a few tourists. It has become quite a hot spot it has been for years. I think people love the feeling of being somewhere kind of authentic. It's kind of always sunny, you can get some good bargains. You do have to do a bit of haggling though. And yeah, great place to be.
You know what? I couldn't have said it better myself.
Thank you for the guest feature. I'm a big fan of yours, actually. So I'm a big fan of yours. It's quite nice to get a spot. So.
Right, so we're on Dar El Fini. This is the square. You know what? It's giving Aladdin.
At least try and say it in the accent.
Dar El Fini.
I don't know.
So you can't. Jarrah.
I don't think she said Finny.
Oh, Jarrah. There you go.
So teach him.
There you go. Yeah. You know what? The whole vibe is giving Aladdin. You've got like the drums over there. You've got, I don't know what these, like the carts. You've got the stalls. You've got like, yeah, it's just. Hello. England.
Welcome in Morocco.
Thank you. Lovely to be here. Yeah, we're here. We're looking around. It's nice to be here.
What's your name?
My name is James. What's your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. Nice to meet you, Mohammed. Yeah. Okay. Hey, have a good day. Take care. Oh my god, there are snakes. There are snakes. There are real life snakes. There's like actual live snakes. We're gonna go see the snakes later. Oh my god, there's a monkey. There's a monkey in the outfit. Wow. It's giving Ross from Friends. The monkey is giving Ross from Friends. It is sad. That's the first thing I thought of when I looked at it. It is sad. Like, they're literally, the monkey's on a chain. Yeah, it is sad to see it. There's a snake right there. Look, you've got the monkeys there on the chains. Look, jumping up. The monkey's trying to get the chain off. Yeah, it is sad to see the monkey chained up. Yummy.
We've eaten 30 eggs.
We've eaten, I would say, approximately 20 eggs. We're halfway through the egg count.
If you get through the 45, that's fine, but you can admit that 60 was excessive.
Love, I'm not sure.
There you go, I'll call you a tea now, it's ready.
Would say that this is probably the most I've kind of felt outside of my comfort zone. Outside or out of my comfort zone? like in all the places that I've been. And you know, I usually go to the same kind of places, you know, and all of that stuff. But like right now, walking through this bit here, mate, it is literally like the movies. So I know earlier I said that we're going to be going back to the monkeys and the snakes, and I'm gonna, because I couldn't go there earlier because I didn't have money to put down. I'm not going back to the monkeys and snakes. I don't feel it's right what they are doing, having the monkeys on a lead and all of that. So why am I going to put money down with something I don't believe is right?